This one's truly special to me, and I'll tell you why in a couple seconds. But I want you to see everything from the trim on the seats, door panels, this veneer carbon fiber look, and check that out. Wireless Apple CarPlay. You could also use an Android device to have wireless Android Auto. And that's where we're at. That's the address if you want to go ahead and screenshot that so you know where to find us. I'm your Tracy Honda insider at tracyhonda.com. I'm going to be showing off things like this multi-angle backup camera. You got dual multimedia ports on your USB-A's right there. Push start stop. Sport and Econ right here that you can switch in your shift mode. Park reverse neutral drive. Sport pedals with the rest right there. Safety and support. Trip meter. This is to raise the brightness or dim the brightness on your deck right there. So you might have seen it doing a little flash right there, but the thing doesn't flash. That's just my speed and frame rate of the camera right there. Both windows in the front are going to one click down, one click up. There's your side panel right there. Push that down, hold that up. And here you go. The 10th generation 2022 Crystal Black Pearl Honda Accord Sport here at Tracy Honda. You got the wheel locks there to help protect those beautiful 19-inch wheels. You have LED fog lights, LED headlights as well. Smoked chrome, looking so nice. Another look again at these LED fog lights, LED headlights. My goodness, looks so nice. 19-inch wheels, certified pre-owned. Means you have a 7-year guarantee until 12/28/2028 or 100,000 miles on the odometer. Excuse me. Odometer is at 42,397 miles. So that would work out for you since I'm on this side. Take a different look at the passenger side of the vehicle. Everything's in great shape. There's no scratches, no dents, no dings. 10th generation Honda Accord, number one with the most space in its class for interior, high-speed USB-A's. Take a look at that 10th gen from the back to the front. There's no odors, no smells, no rips, no tears, no punctures, no burn marks. It looks really fantastic. You can come see this vehicle 7 days a week at Tracy Honda, 3450 Auto Plaza Way, Tracy, California, 95304. 7 days a week, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., Monday through Saturday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m., Sundays and holidays. You have a 60-40 split. You also have a tire kit and your tire. So don't forget to like and subscribe. There's your full walk around of this video. Again, let us know when you can make it here. And we'll see you on the next video at Tracy Honda, folks. Man, that is a great looking vehicle. Paint looks nice, body looks nice, wheels look great, and it's here. So you can go on Tracy Honda Insider, send me a DM on any one of our social media handles. You can email me, tracyhondainsider at tracyhonda.com, or you can just come see us, and one of our 5-star reviewed brand ambassadors will be happy to give you a professional demonstration and a VIP test drive. My goodness, this is just a nice vehicle. Multi-adjustable driver's seat. That's power too. Yeah, come take advantage of it before it's gone.